Big breaking update coming in ahead of the Karnataka elections. The Supreme Court has decided to scrap the order by the Karnataka government. It has stayed the order that has come in. Big update coming in from Karnataka. The Supreme Court has stayed the quota. Remember, the decision had been taken by the government. The Karnataka order scrapping the Muslim quota, the order is now going to remain on hold till the voting eve. Legal editor Harish Nair joining us with that update. Harish, the government has assured that the order will be kept on hold till the next date of hearing. So as of now, big update coming in ahead of the Karnataka elections. Take us through the details.
Yes, Pratibha, a very big development in the Supreme Court as far as the Karnataka government's order scrapping the 4% Muslim quota is concerned. The effect is that the government order scrapping the 4% Muslim quota will be kept on hold, will be in abeyance till May 9th, that is the voting eve. Remember, the Karnataka goes to polls on May 10th, which means that the Muslims who have nothing to lose, but at the same time, Vakaligas and Lingayats who have been given shared 2% of the quota each, they will not be benefiting from the government decision. Remember, on April 13th, the Supreme Court had in fact just stopped short of staying the government order. It had slammed the order, saying that Muslims have been enjoying the reservation since almost a century, and the foundation of the order, government order, is shaky and flawed and based on fallacious presumptions. And it seems that the government had dumped 3 committee reports which have recommended quota for the Muslims. But the government, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the government, had persuaded the Supreme Court not to stay the order, saying that it should be given time to file an affidavit and explain the scrapping of the quota. But at the same time, Supreme Court said that okay, we will not stay the order, but at the same time, you should give an assurance that you will keep the government order on hold till you explain us the benefits of the order scrapping the Muslim quota. So today, in fact, once again, the government failed to file an affidavit for 2 reasons. One, the affidavit was not ready. Number 2, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta was busy in the Constitution bench hearing of the same-sex marriage matter. So once again, the Supreme Court has adjourned the matter till May 9th. That is the voting eve, which means that the quota, benefit of the quota, will not go to the Lingayats and Vakaligas. And remember, those allegations that this was a poll gimmick on the part of BJP to win the Lingayats and Vakaliga votes. But as of now, the news coming in from the Supreme Court is that the government order will be on till May 9, that is the assembly poll voting eve. Because the Supreme Court had said that till you explain us the benefits of the order, till you can justify the government order and convince us that this scrapping of the 4% quota was required, we will stay the order. But the government had persuaded the Supreme Court not to stay the order till it was given a chance to file the affidavit. But the affidavit has not come. But the Supreme Court has extracted an assurance from the government that it will not allow this quota to be this scrapping of the quota to be operative till it convince Supreme Court. So as of now, the news is that the Karnataka government order scrapping the 4% quota for Muslims will be on hold, will be in abeyance till the assembly elections voting.
Okay, so it's been put on hold, and this could change the narrative in Karnataka. Harish, request you to stay on with us. We'll talk about the arguments that went on in court as well, because the BJP has been saying that the quota is unconstitutional, and that's the reason why it was struck down. Let's go across to our colleague Imran, who's also joining us on the broadcast, on the impact that it will have in the polls, Imran, because it is one of the biggest talking points ahead of the polls. We'll just try and reconnect to Imran there, but this is one of the issues that the BJP government has been talking about. The BJP leaders, while campaigning as well, have been talking about how the 4% quota was unconstitutional because it was based on religious lines, and saying that it is going to scrap it. The government had decided to scrap it. It was taken to court, after which now the Supreme Court has put a hold on it. In fact, the bench led by Justice K.M. Joseph had on April 13th just stopped short of staying it after the Karnataka government had sought time to file the affidavit. Imran, back with